It's your friendly math tutor, Miss C, here to unlock the magic of graphing inequalities on a number line. Inequalities means unequal or unequal, and how this is different from an equality, which we often show with an equal sign, is that inequalities have many solutions, whereas an equality has a single solution. So let's start with our equation on the left, which we read is x is greater than 4. So here's a few things about greater than or less than. First, they are represented by just the arrows without a line underneath. So we have a less than sign and a greater than sign. And we read those less than or greater than. It does not include the number. So whereas when we look at greater than or equal to, this means that in this case, x is greater than 4 means every number bigger than 4, but not including 4. And when we graph this on a number line, we show it with an open circle. So an open circle that's not filled in means that number is not included, but every number thereafter is. So for instance, 4.00001 is included in all the things that would make this true, but the number 4 is not. So let's go ahead and graph this. So because x is greater than 4, we're going to put an open circle on 4. And what that again means is that 4 is not included as part of a solution or an answer to this inequality, but that's just where we're starting. And then greater than means that any number bigger than 4 is a solution. So we draw a line. This is actually in math called a ray. And what that means is that every other number that's bigger than 4 is a solution, including the number 5, including the number 1,257,000, including the number 4.287. Those are all solutions, right? So bigger than 4 and all the way to infinity. Now, our next equation is read, x is less than or equal to -1. So these involve less than or equal to symbols and greater than or equal to symbols. And this is how we say them. And the difference here is when there's that line underneath, it means that the number is included. That's the or equal to part. So it means that number can be included. So in this case, -1 is part of the solution to this inequality. And we show that by using a filled in circle to show that -1 is part of our solution set. So let's go ahead and graph this. So we're going to start by putting a filled in circle at -1, like so. And then we're looking for all the values that are less than -1. So that means our arrow is going to go to the left because that's where all the values are that are less than -1. So again, what this means is that -1 is a solution to this, but also -2,500,000 is a solution to this. -3.2 is a solution to this. So this has an infinite number of solutions, and that's what makes inequalities really cool, is because there's not just one solution like there is with an equality, but because they're inequalities, there's many solutions. Thank you for taking the time to unlock the magic of graphing inequalities on a number line with me. Be sure to subscribe for more math videos. Till next time.